Hi, Elizabeth here, talking about how to have a wonderful life. Today I'm going to talk about this book. It's by Joseph Campbell. It's called The Hero with 1,000 Faces. This is the same thing that's sometimes referred to as the hero's journey. And the principle of it is that all the hero and heroine stories in the world, pretty much, from Shakespeare to Star Wars, are all constructed around the same kind of theme, which is the theme of the transformation of the hero or heroine. So I'm thinking that it might be useful for us to take a look at this hero's journey structure so that you can maybe consider where you are in relationship to your hero's journey right now, what stage you're at. So I have some notes here. It's too many points for me to remember, 13, beyond what I can remember. So I'll read it out. While I'm reading it out, I'll go fairly slowly so that you can just think, where does this apply to me right now? It might just be useful at the moment for you to think about it. So, number one, you start out in the ordinary world of your life. The sense you have is that there must be something more, but you maybe don't know what it is. Number two, you receive the call to adventure. With the call to adventure, it starts with a nagging feeling, which builds up, and you get the opportunity to change things. That's two. Three, the refusal of the call. Number three, you resist the call, either because the time is not right or because you feel fear. Number four, the threshold guardians. People, animals or spirits encourage or discourage you or hold you back. No, don't go, it's dangerous out there, or go for it, or there are always people, animals or spirits sending those messages, aren't there? Number five, the wise mentor or supernatural aid. This may be a person, a song, a book, a new idea, or a sign in nature. Whatever it is, it's a sign that you perceive as time to go ahead with your idea. At which point you come to number six, which is the crossing of the threshold, or the parting of the veil. The pain was great, or the goal was compelling. For whatever reason, you cross into the new world. You go through the wardrobe, or wherever it is that you're going, where you're going to reach the new world. Number seven, helpers and challengers. When you've made the move across, they come. So they're like the people that were there before you made your move across the threshold. Once again, there are some people saying, yes, this is good, and there are others saying, no, go back, this is terrible. Okay? And then what happens is the innermost cave. A huge challenge. It's a huge challenge because the cave is home to the evil one. And the evil one might be some kind of physical monster, or it might be a monster of your own thinking and imagination, but it's an evil one. Now you might think that that's bad enough because you've come to the innermost cave, but it's not bad enough, because what happens now is you get the supreme ordeal. The supreme ordeal is the final test. You face the worst demon of all, and you triumph. Yes. When you triumph, you're on to number 10, and you find the elixir. The journey has strengthened you and you find the treasure. You are reborn. Number 11, refusal of the return. It's funny really, isn't it? When you were in the ordinary world, you refused to go, but now you're in the extraordinary world, you're refusing to come back. So you want to stay forever. You love your new life, but the next stage is the journey home, the return, the ordinary world. You're back. You share what you learned, and a few are inspired. And the final step of the story is the next call. So my tip for this week is just consider this journey of the hero. It might be you, it might be somebody that you know, but what is there in you which is heroic and transformative right now? What's that heroic and transformative thing that's wanting to happen right now with you?